Que pasa, mi amigos? So today I am going to show you guys how I got my custom color. This is my absolute favorite, aside from like platinum blonde and like, real wild shit or whatever. This is my favorite color. I love coppery red hair. And this is the High Rise Soft Sheen Carson. I love this color. I've been using it for I don't know, years on my weaves. And so the two colors, they're very, very close. One has like a little more hint of, I guess you could call it like a burgundy undertone to it. So I just like to go in and I alternate and I just, spray it, not spray it. I pour it on, brush it all the way through. Make sure I cover the hair completely. Well, not the roots. I want my roots to still be dark. And I let this sit for, I believe I only let this sit for about like 45 minutes. And I washed it out and I let it dry. And once it was dry, it gave like this nice dark cherry color, which you can't really tell because the lighting sucks, but it was like a nice brown dark cherry kind of color. So I'm going in with my BW2 powder and my Lift Up 30 by Clairol Professionals. This is, I use the same bleach and developer pretty much every single time. And I'm just going through taking random chunks. I'm starting at the top so that way that can lift, the front can lift faster, or lift first. It could bleach a little longer because I want it to have that, I want it to look like the sun has been sitting on it and it has been naturally getting lighter at the top. I don't know if that's really making sense for you guys, but yeah, so I'm kind of just going through streaking that out, and then I'm going to brush it through and work it all the way through with a brush. I feel like, freehanding it, it gives it nice lifts and tones when you do it like this. I didn't cover it with aluminum foil or use any heats. I let it sit for about 35 minutes and then I washed it, conditioned it, and I allowed it to dry. And once it was done, it gave me this nice coppery color. I like to think of it as old and new pennies, and either as the time goes along, I will either brighten it or I will put a rich burgundy shade over it. And I always love how this turns out. So the back is still kind of wet, but this is the nice copper color that I was trying to describe, the old and new pennies. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little run through of how I got this beautiful custom color. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe.